Costas. The Costas has purple head. He doesn't like those bees. They don't like those bees. And then I've got another one over here on the side, which is Anna's, which has a red head.
Yeah, we got the bees here around the hummingbird feeder. That sugar water is what's attracting the bees.
Come on, sweetie.
And you seen that little green hummingbird that came by here a little while ago.
Don't move and he'll come back. He's looking at us. He does not like
There's
that.
one.
They do not like the bees. Oh no, my feeder came down. Shoot. Sometimes these birds land on there that are too heavy. And they knock my feeder down.
Oh.
Oh, shoot. So I gotta go fill this one up again. This one sits on the window.
Maybe the wind blew it down.
No, sometimes another bird, if it's too heavy, it lands on here and knocks it down. Usually not the wind.
And there's a house finch over there. One of them. There's a couple of them up there earlier.
Yeah, they all have different colors.
So there we go. There's another shot of the birds back here. And yeah, me and Milan are at one of his friend's house here that has this backyard I'm taking these photos in here in Las Vegas near Aliante. So hope y'all enjoy these couple little clips here. And 6 days from now, we're going to be leaving for our trip to stop in London, Barcelona, Athens, Greece, Santorini, all of them. And yeah, definitely going to get some nice shots out there. And guys, whatever I can find around here, just find some interesting stuff everywhere. And put on YouTube for y'all to enjoy. And hope y'all enjoy the flicks I put on here. And see you on the next round. All right, bye.